Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about preservation of timber. We have studied about defects in timber, various defects caused by different agents, and in the description box you have got many previous year questions based on that. I hope you have done those questions, and that those questions will be very much useful for you for any exams. Maybe it Kerala PSC or other state PSUs or junior engineer exam, whatever may be, those are standard questions. Those will be repeatedly asked in every kind of exam. So do follow my channel. You will get sure links below each videos. That will be very helpful for you. Okay, so let's get started. Preservation of timber. Timber, we have to preserve it in order to make it durable and protect it from attack of destroying agents like fungi, insects, etc. So we are going to discuss about various types of preservatives. As the video progresses, I will tell you important points which are mainly asked for exams. Okay, so ASU treatment. This as such is an important topic. ASU treatment, this preservative, it is developed by Forest Research Institute, Dehradun. And what is important is its composition. It is composed like hydrated arsenic pentoxide, copper sulfate, and potassium dichromate in the ratio 1 is to 3 is to 4 by its weight. This point is important. I have seen this being asked in ESC question papers. That is arsenic in which ratio this ASU treatment is made with. That is arsenic pentoxide, copper sulfate, and potassium dichromate is in what ratio? That was the question. So that is in the ratio 1 is to 3 is to 4 by its weight. And it is available in powder format. And the solution is prepared by mixing 6 part by weight of this to 100 parts by weight of water. And this preservative give protection against attack of white ants. This point is also important. I have seen that in question paper. What was the question there? Which treatment is used to protect from white ants? Protect attack of white ants. That was the question. So that was ASU treatment. So the next one. Chemical salts. Chemical salts, important point to note here is this is formed by dissolving salts like zinc chloride, copper sulfate in water. That is solution of salts in water. That is this preservative. And this is important in this point. See, it is non-inflammable. Remember this point. If a question is asked in many preservatives are listed, and the question is asked like which is having fire resistance, then this will be the answer. Okay, there will be questions like ASU treatment, then ammonium sulfate, like that. So in those, if such cases are asked, then always ammonium sulfate will be the answer because that is a salt. Okay, so chemical salts they are odorless and non-inflammable, and they have good penetration into timber. Okay, so the next one. Coal tar. Coal tar means what? It is tarring of the surface. This preservative is like tarring the surface. The timber surface is getting tarred. Tarring, we know that it is having unpleasant smell, and the appearance is also not that suitable. So it's not unsuitable for painting. So it can be only used for rough timber works. So that is regarding coal tar. Then the next one is cryosite oil. Cryosite oil is the process is named as cross-sorting. Okay, and here the timber surface it's getting coated with creosote oil, and it is obtained by distillation of tar. It doubles the life of timber, and because this doubles the life of timber, it is used in structure that requires more durability. So like railway sleeper, this is a railway sleeper in figure. Here it is getting coated with creosote oil. Then the next one is oil paints. Oil paints means what? The paints are made with oil, so it makes repels the moisture, so that makes it durable. So 2 to 3 coats of oil paints preserve timber from moisture, making it durable. Then the next one, molybdenum paints. Molybdenum paints they are very toxic in nature. Okay, so they preserve timber from white ants. So they can be also mixed with color pigments. So various colors for painting various colors we can use, and they can be mixed with this molybdenum paints, and you will get many colors out of this. Okay. Then the next one is methods of preservation. Now we have studied about various preservatives, and we have to discuss about the method in which it is used. So first one is by brushing. That is the simplest way. That is brushing on the surface. So it is like the cracks and all we have to fill first before brushing. And we have to use good quality brushes. And if oil preservatives are used, they have to be used hot for better penetration. And preservatives, they have to be liberally used. We shouldn't be like stingy on that. We have to liberally use it. Okay. Then several codes are applied, like 2 to 3 codes are applied, and sufficient interval should be given for proper absorption. Then the next one is charring. Charring means that there is no preservatives added here. This is not a process in which preservatives is added. It is a very old method in which this is example here. This is suppose this take this is a telephone post. Okay, telephone post here. This is put in water or it is made wet for half an hour and then it is burned to a depth of 15 mm over wood fire. Then it is subsequently cooled with water. So what will happen? Layer of coal is formed on it. So this coal surface that will be moisture repellent or it is not affected by moisture and it is not attacked by fungi and white ants etc. But the disadvantage is what the section is now reduced because it is burnt and 50, to a depth of 15 mm. So the cross section is reduced, so therefore the strength is reduced and the surface has now become black because now the coal is formed on it. So it is not suitable for exterior works. So that is used for lower ends of telephone poles which are embedded in ground. So in the underground portion that which is not suitable for exterior work, that those can be also used for underground portion. So this is always used in lower ends of telephone poles which are to be embedded in ground. Here see under the fire this portion, the underground portion which is going inside the ground, that is burnt here. So likewise, here the many are poles like that are burned. A group of charring process, a group of posts are getting charred here. Okay, now the next one, dipping and steeping. Dipping and one question which I was asked is like brushing, dipping, and steeping. Many processes will be there, and give the order of penetration, which is better. That is a question which is always asked. So make sure you understand that one also. Okay, here dipping means that the surface, the timber surface that is dipped in a solution of preservative for a short interval of time. And steeping means it is immersed for few hours to weeks. It gives better results than brushing or spraying. So check this order, okay? This is better than brushing or spraying. And the depth of penetration, it is dipped. But the depth of penetration of preservative, it depends upon the type of timber. Then the next one is hot and cold open tank treatment. The name itself suggests that there will be an open tank, and first, it is timber is dipped in one hot solution. That solution will be, of course, preservatives. Then it is then gradually cooled. So that is the process. So timber is first submerged in a tank having solution of preservatives heated to a temperature of 85 to 95 degrees Celsius for few hours. Then it is gradually cooled. This gives protection to sapwood. Then the next one is injecting under pressure. This is the most effective method. Here, direct injection of preservatives under pressure is taking place. And here, this is adopted in cross-sorting. And we require special treatment plan for this. This is essential for treating non-durable timber which are to be used in places which have high danger of attack of fungi. Then the next one is spraying. As the name suggests, it is spraying. The spraying of preservatives with a piston, and the piston works under compressed air. This is very effective and superior to brushing. So that is it. So we have discussed about preservation, the methods of preservation. Okay, so that is it. Get the question papers, questions from description box. Do that. You will be very much clear and you will understand why, how efficiently I have told you what all questions are asked. Okay, thank you so much.
For more videos, subscribe to my channel and press bell notification.